Here's a little set of homemade Christmas lights I made. These are neon indicators. They're coloured discharge indicators as well. So we've got the green, the red. This red one is a bit intermittent, as you can see. But this project was inspired by BigCliveDotCom. He made a set of these. I wasn't too happy with the electrical safety aspect of it, so I did my best to try and improve it somewhat. So my sets use the double insulated single core cables, and I've also got these little shrouds. I'm still to fit the heat shrink over each lamp to prevent shock if they get smashed, because these are glass, and if they fall they will smash, and you will have the little electrodes sticking out. As you can see there, you can see the electrodes in the neon ones, and those will stick out and those will have mains voltage on them, which is nice. But anyway, I find these look a lot nicer than LEDs. They've just got that nicer colour to them. And if LEDs could come in this exact colour, I'd be happy with the LED equivalent of this. But I think the novelty of it is that these aren't using LEDs, nor are they using tungsten lamps. They are using little discharge lamps, and I quite like that. So I'm going to turn the lights off. I'll let you stare at them for a bit. There we go. I think they look really nice. They're not overly bright. They're just nice to have as ambient light in the background. Each of these little units here don't get hot at all. It's very, very, very slightly warm, but that's not a concern. I will make the design files for these little shrouds available. There should be a link in the video description in time. So there you go. Those are those little discharge fairy lights that I made. These were inspired by BigCliveDotCom. And yeah, thanks for watching.